Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you do like outdoor picnics or anything like that, like I do here, you have these fly fans. So it's one fly covers approximately 2 to 3 feet, portable, collapsible. You can hang them, you can do whatever. I'll show you what they are here. So we have a pack of 4 here. So this is what it looks like here. So it kind of goes up and up and up. So we have that, and we have the top for it right here, so they'll stick into there, and then it's going to spin around. So let me go see what batteries these are going to take. It's going to take a couple of AA's, and I don't have any right here. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I put in 2 AA's. I just have them here, and you'll see on the bottom there is the little on-off switch, and then these, you see they're also kind of shiny like that. I think that helps keep the bugs away. But then you just turn it on, and there we go, we have the fan going. And it's going slow enough that it's not gonna hurt anybody if somebody does that or whatever, or a dog or something like that gets in there, but it's gonna deter any flies from getting there. So if you put a couple of these on the table, you're gonna be good to go. And then when you're done, you can just turn it off, and you can push these little buttons in here and make it go back down again. Oh, on both sides. It looks like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, the kind of design of it. And so push that down, push this one down here, and then there. So you can even just store it like this. We don't have to take off the top again. So how cool is that? So these are neat little things here. It comes with a set of 4 of them in here. And these should keep the flies away for sure. Thumbs up.